I've been in town because we done Zumba. So today, it's another mega love shout out to each people and mga katokas. Love you all. Because kaninang umaga, I forgot someone or syempre my beloved people. But before that, let's eat a little bit of rice. One, plate. Di ko naman siya uubusin. Syempre, we're going to do mukbang while doing speaking, no? Lechon. And this is a caldereta. Let's rock and roll. Mega love shout out kay Ate Enery or Ate Irene Herbacio. So yan, nakasama ko po sila sa vlog. At meron din pong vlog ako. Yan, gumagawa sila ng marmol. Pwede po kayong magpagawa ng mga souvenirs sa kanila. May mga almeres, yan. May paninda sila doon. Yan po siya. So, yun na lang po siya. Add nyo po siya sa Facebook. Enery Herbacio. Yan. Mega love shout out to you. Love you. Mega love shout out Christian Pitalco from Africa. Ayan, nangingitim ka na daw. May gulay. Ikaw din nagsabi niyan. And, wait, mga katoka, my dog is so very noisy. Oy, mega love shout out din po pala, Tita Oni. Lazada, let's eat. I love you. Thank you so much sa labis-labis mong pagsuporta sa aking YouTube channel. And I know na nandun ka kasi I saw your comments out there. Grabe mga katoka. Kasi whole day ako nagbiyahe around Philippines. Around Romblon. Around Tunjongan lang. And I am hungry. I am hungry na. After the Zumba, I feel like napagod ako. So I wanna eat something new that can give me full of energy. And after this, I feel like I wanna have coffee again. Mega love shout out, Habi. I'm pretty sure you are still sleeping right now and I know you're watching. Mega love shout out din sa aking kapatid na nandyan sa Manila. And I know you're watching over me. Nagparamdam ka kanina. Nakita ko yung mga likes mo. Madami. Thank you sa pagsuporta. Siyempre, dapat nagla-likes din kayo dun sa aking video sa YouTube channel. Please lang, chart. No. There's nothing to please. If you pala mga katoka, please don't forget na i-follow din sa Ate Cecil Tranca sa kanyang Facebook page. And, of course, mga zombihista ng Ojongan, please don't forget na i-subscribe na rin ang YouTube channel ng Zombahista. So, yan, i-follow nyo po sila. Please don't forget also to like their videos out there. Nakaka-entertain, maganda yung mga music and dance. Please, if you like it, if you are well entertained, you can like the videos after watching. But if you don't like it, just skip it and proceed to other channel. Joke. Sana sa Philcans Hannes vlog mga katokas, kung meron kayong mga suggestions, clarification, please comment down this video para naman may mga ideas din naman ako. And syempre, improvement, diba? Mas masaya pag merong mismong mga idea galing sa inyong mga katokas. Thank you so much. Mega love shout out to my friend there in USA, Cambodia, India, yan. I have my friends there who are supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And from Germany, mega love shout out to all my friends from Germany. Hello! Thank you so much for support sa aking vlog. And also, mega love shout out to my cousin there in Sweden, Ate Mylene. Kamusta? Sana makapag-response ka dito sa aking video today. And to your family, kamusta na po kayo diyan? Mega love shout out din po sa family ng aking husband dyan sa Medicine Hat, Alberta, Canada. I miss you, Ate Rachel Penner. Oh, ayan. Hello, Val. Mega love shout out to you, Valerie Penner. Love you, miss you, and I wanna see you. And that's for today, and good mornings around the world. Na kung saan nandun ay umaga, dito ay gabi. At ako ay nagugutom na nais kong kumain. Babush!